MasterControl allows us to have a batch record that would typically be maybe 70 or 80 pages long if it was paper-based, and it would take us hours to fill that in and hours to review it. Our turnaround time is a lot quicker, there's less mistakes, so there's less investigations that go with it.
Our batch records, as you know, is patient specific, so we don't manufacture in lots or in batches. And so we have all of our ranges validated for our specifications within our MX solution. It's pretty efficient in batch record review because you don't have to have an individual who's checking all the values to the ranges manually. You have the system that you validated, and it can just come in and do that work for you.
A big metric that we track is the handoffs. Is the product where it's supposed to be when it's supposed to be there? Is it moving to the next phase of the manufacturing process at the right time? So not only right first time, but right on time.
Specifically for us, one of the most exciting fields we've been involved with is a high-throughput manufacture of peptides. That completely changed the landscape of how things need to be manufactured, and so you're looking for every possible way to manufacture things more effectively and more rapidly, much more rapidly. And in our case, I think something like about 80 to 100 times faster than we would normally be expected to do a kind of conventional product. The application of electronic batch records was a huge benefit to making reliability more constant and also much quicker review, etc., of the batch records to allow us to process projects really quickly.